Right, today's Judgment Day. Mark's all got wired up and ready to go, and we're trying to communicate with the ECU to see what's going wrong with it. The wiring so far is working, but we've dug out the old Lynx laptop. Turn ignition on, please.
One ignition coming up.
I'm quite surprised. This is why I have this old laptop here, because it's the only thing that works with the Lynx. The old Lynx. Is it on?
It's on.
Not all DTCs have been cleared. Okay. This is what I'm saying, because that's a standalone computer. I don't know what they've got. Oh, rough road signal. Some sort of, it's connected to the ABS, which this hasn't got, but your disco would have done.
Right.
So anyway, it seems to be that's good to go. It's not throwing any codes out. I don't know if we can do live data, because there's nothing really. Is the engine hooked up to this then?
Yes.
Oh, this is when it's running though, isn't it?
That's still a couple days away.
Yeah, that's right. Actuator tests. We could test the. Have you got the bulb in for the trouble light, whatever it's called?
Yes.
Right, I'll try and turn it on. Is it on?
It is not.
Purge valve, and we've only got fuel pump and purge valve, but we haven't got fuel pump hooked up yet, have we?
No.
There's not much we can do with these.
So those are the two things that said I couldn't find?
Yeah. That's live data, special functions, learn security. This is one thing that you might not have to do with an ECU that's been reprogrammed. So we don't want
you're not supposed to learn anything, I guess.
No. Reset adaptions again. I'm not even going to go into that. Fault code. Yeah, so it's only showing one fault code, so it's not too bad. But then again, it isn't running, is it?
Yeah.
It isn't cranking over. So I think so far, at least you can communicate with it. So far, so good. What's the next step?
Next step is to tidy up all the wiring, and then to put the fuel tank and fuel lines in.
Alright. Do you want to tidy up the wires before or after getting the fuel tank?
I'm happy to do it after.
I would leave it till after, because if you have to open it up again, it's going to be good. But at least we know this works. Right, so what's the next step?
Fuel lines and fuel tank. I could actually plug the fuel pump in right now if you wanted the laptop.
Well, I mean, you can.
Because it's already hooked up, I just have to physically drag the gas tank over and plug it in.
Plug it in then. Plug it in and see if it works. Because right now it's hooked up. We'll see what's going on. Let's come and have a look at this. That's what I'm saying about the wiring, you see. It's all sort of, it's a cat's cradle of wiring, and we've got sensors here and sensors there. And so this bit worked out all right. Looks neat enough. You've got some tape to put around there. But this is a bit I was saying, just leave it until we get ready to work it out. Right, so we're going to do a quick test, see if the fuel pump's working. Actuator test, fuel pump. Test. Fuel pump on. Is it?
No sound from back here.
It's now switched off. I can hear the relay clicking. Mark?
Yeah?
You know, in that little triangular box that always gives trouble?
Yeah.
It's clicking on. Listen. And it's wired up. The inertia switch is on or off?
The pump's been tested to live. I saw it pump fuel.
Yeah, it's switching the relay on, but this is the sort of problem I had with Mary's Range Rover, messing about with that thing. Because that box is full of voodoo relays.
Oh, wait a minute.
Did you plug it?
The only thing plugged in is the sending unit.
Oh, that's not good.
There's your problem right there. So look, if I turn this over this way, we'll have a full tank. There, what does the gauge read?
I don't know.
Full. Yeah. Okay. Well, I've got the wires here. I can connect the fuel pump actually.
Alright, here we go. He's got the pump clicked in. Test.
Yeah.
Yes. That's good. So, we can put the tank in now, knowing that the pump and the sender unit works, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I put a pretty good truck together, don't I?
Oh yeah. Wiring works, but needs a bit tidying up.
Yeah, there's a little bit of tidying.
Needs a little bit tidying up. Anyway, so we can disconnect this now, knowing that this will work.
Yeah.
Like I say, if I lose the software for this, I'm screwed. Because it came on a, what was it? Came on a thumb
DVD
drive.
or whatever, yeah.
Came on a thumb drive, and it seems to be specific just for that unit. They're tied together. All right, let's do this then, so we can stop this, and we'll come back later.